Welcome to Blooming Grounds. Today, we're diving into the art of creating the perfect outdoor living room. A space where comfort meets style and nature blends seamlessly with modern design. Whether you're dreaming of a cozy backyard retreat or a stunning patio that's perfect for entertaining, we got you covered with tips to elevate your outdoor space. From choosing the right furniture and defining your space with pergolas to adding lush greenery and creating ambience with textiles and lighting, this video is packed with inspiration. Plus, we'll show you how to make the most of your patio with multifunctional designs that bring both beauty and practicality to your outdoor living room. If you're ready to transform your outdoor space into a stunning and functional retreat, stick around. And don't forget to grab your favorite design ideas along the way. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Blooming Grounds, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Let's create the outdoor space of your dreams. Choosing the right patio furniture is the foundation of creating a comfortable and stylish outdoor living room. The key is to focus on furniture that combines comfort, durability, and aesthetic appeal. Cushioned seating options such as sofas, sectionals, or armchairs can provide the cozy feel of indoor furniture while being tailored for outdoor use. Look for designs that include ergonomic features like supportive backs and wide armrests, ensuring long hours of relaxation or socializing. Material selection is equally important. Furniture crafted from wood, metal, or synthetic rattan can offer a balance between visual appeal and resilience. For outdoor settings, it's essential to prioritize weather-resistant materials that can withstand sun, rain, and temperature fluctuations. Opt for fade-resistant fabrics for cushions and pillows, ensuring your furniture maintains its vibrant look over time. In addition to comfort and durability, style plays a significant role. Choosing a design that aligns with the overall theme of your patio, be it modern, rustic, or bohemian, will create a cohesive and inviting atmosphere. Mixing textures and materials can also add depth and interest, allowing your furniture to stand out while seamlessly blending with the surrounding environment. Creating a focal point with fire features transforms a patio into a warm and inviting outdoor living space. A fire pit or fire table not only provides practical warmth during cooler evenings, but also serves as a centerpiece for social gatherings and relaxation. The flickering flames add a touch of ambience that draws people in, making the space feel cozier and more intimate. The choice of fire feature design can greatly influence the overall style of the patio. For a sleek, modern look, consider a linear fire pit with clean lines and a concrete or metal base. Round or rectangular fire pits can offer a more casual or classic vibe, while built-in fire features integrated into the patio layout can create a seamless and sophisticated appearance. Materials like concrete, stone, and metal provide durability and aesthetic versatility, ensuring the fire pit complements the rest of the patio design. Enhancing the fire feature with decorative elements like black lava rocks, tempered glass beads, or natural-looking ceramic logs can add texture and visual interest. These elements not only highlight the flames, but also tie into the patio's overall design theme. Placement is another crucial consideration. Positioning the fire feature in the center of the seating area ensures it becomes a natural gathering point, encouraging conversation and interaction. Beyond aesthetics, fire features extend the usability of an outdoor space, allowing the patio to be enjoyed year-round. Whether it's for roasting marshmallows with family, sipping drinks with friends, or simply relaxing solo on a crisp evening, a fire feature elevates the outdoor experience, blending functionality with style. Defining your outdoor living room with pergolas or shade structures is a transformative design choice that adds both practicality and visual appeal. These structures frame the space, creating a sense of enclosure that makes the patio feel like a distinct and intentional extension of your home. They also provide much-needed shade, making the outdoor area more comfortable during sunny days while still allowing for a connection to the open air. Pergolas, in particular, are a versatile option that can suit a variety of styles. A wooden pergola with a natural finish can lend warmth and charm to the space, seamlessly blending with a more traditional or rustic design. On the other hand, a sleek metal pergola with clean lines can complement modern and contemporary aesthetics. For an added touch of elegance, Consider incorporating a slatted roof that filters sunlight, creating dynamic patterns of light and shadow throughout the day. Incorporating climbing plants like wisteria, jasmine, or ivy into the structure can enhance the natural feel of the patio. Over time, these plants can create a lush canopy that offers shade while softening the hard lines of the pergola. Retractable awnings or fabric canopies are another option for adding versatility, allowing you to adjust the level of shade based on the time of day or weather. For smaller patios or spaces with height constraints, simpler shade solutions like cantilevered umbrellas or sail shades can be just as effective. These options still provide a defined sense of space while offering flexibility in placement and style. In addition to shade, these structures can serve as a framework for other design elements. String lights, lanterns, or pendant lighting can be draped across the pergola to create a magical ambience during the evening. Hanging planters or wind chimes can add texture and charm, further enhancing the character of your outdoor living room. A well-designed pergola or shade structure not only improves the comfort and functionality of your patio, but also elevates its aesthetic, creating a welcoming and sophisticated outdoor retreat. Incorporating greenery and natural elements into your patio design brings life, texture, and a calming atmosphere to your outdoor living space. Plants act as a bridge between the hardscape of the patio and the natural surroundings, softening sharp edges and creating a sense of harmony. They also provide a refreshing visual contrast to materials like stone, concrete, and wood, adding layers of color and vibrancy that make the space more inviting. Strategic placement of greenery is key to achieving a balanced design. Potted plants are an excellent option for patios, offering flexibility in arrangement and allowing you to experiment with various shapes, sizes, and plant species. Tall potted plants like palms or bamboo can add height and create a sense of enclosure, functioning as a natural privacy screen. Smaller planters with succulents, ferns, or flowering plants can be used to add detail and color to coffee tables, shelves, or corners of the patio. For a more immersive natural element, consider installing a vertical garden or green wall. These lush, living backdrops not only make a bold visual statement, but also maximize greenery in smaller spaces. Vertical gardens can be designed with a mix of plants, such as trailing ivy, ferns, and brightly colored flowers, creating a dynamic and textured look. A green wall can also provide cooling effects, which is particularly useful in sunnier climates. Integrating raised garden beds or planters along the perimeter of the patio is another effective way to introduce greenery. These can be planted with low-maintenance options like ornamental grasses or herbs, adding both aesthetic appeal and practical functionality. If your patio is adjacent to a lawn or garden, blending the edges with transitional plantings can create a seamless flow between the hardscape and the natural landscape. Trees, whether planted in the ground or large planters, are an excellent way to add vertical interest. They can provide shade, frame views, or act as focal points within the patio space. For instance, a single olive tree or Japanese maple in a large planter can serve as a striking centerpiece that enhances the patio's character. Greenery also contributes to the overall ambience of the patio. The gentle rustle of leaves, the vibrant colors of flowers, or the soothing scent of herbs like lavender or mint can engage multiple senses, elevating the outdoor experience. By incorporating a variety of plants, you can create a dynamic yet cohesive look that transforms your patio into a lush and tranquil retreat. Adding textiles to your outdoor living room is one of the simplest and most effective ways to create a warm, inviting, and cohesive atmosphere. Just as they do indoors, fabrics like rugs, throw pillows, and blankets bring softness and comfort to outdoor spaces, transforming a functional patio into a cozy retreat. The right textiles can also tie together the various design elements, creating a polished and harmonious look. Outdoor rugs are a foundational piece that anchors the seating area, defining the space and adding visual interest to the patio floor. A large, patterned rug can introduce texture and color, creating a focal point that draws the eye and complements the surrounding furniture. For a more understated look, consider a neutral tone rug with subtle patterns or textures that enhance the overall aesthetic without overwhelming it. Opt for weather-resistant materials like polypropylene or polyester, which are designed to withstand outdoor conditions and are easy to clean. Throw pillows are another versatile textile element that can infuse personality and charm into your patio. Whether you prefer bold prints, geometric patterns, or solid hues, pillows provide an opportunity to play with color and style. Use them to echo the colors of your garden, furniture, or other design elements for a coordinated look. For a bohemian feel, mix and match different textures, sizes, and patterns, while for a more modern vibe, stick to a cohesive color palette with clean lines. Weather-resistant and fade-proof fabrics are essential for maintaining their appearance despite exposure to sunlight and rain. Blankets, though often overlooked in outdoor design, are perfect for adding an extra layer of comfort, especially during cooler evenings. Drape a lightweight throw over a sofa or chair to create a relaxed, lived-in feel. Natural fibers like cotton or wool blends can offer both warmth and breathability, while outdoor-specific materials ensure durability. Beyond their aesthetic value, textiles play a practical role in enhancing comfort. They soften the edges of furniture, making seating areas feel more inviting and cozy. Additionally, they can help absorb sound, reducing echo and creating a more intimate environment. To maintain a cohesive look, choose textiles that align with your patio's overall design theme, whether that's modern, rustic, coastal, or eclectic. Neutral tones with subtle accents create a sophisticated atmosphere, while bright colors and bold patterns can energize the space and reflect a playful, casual vibe. Incorporating textiles into your patio design not only adds comfort and visual interest, but also allows you to personalize the space. These soft, decorative elements ensure your outdoor living room feels as inviting and stylish as any indoor space, making it a place where you'll love to relax and entertain. Incorporating multifunctional design elements into your outdoor living room can significantly enhance both its utility and aesthetic appeal. With thoughtful planning, each piece in your patio design can serve more than one purpose, maximizing space while maintaining a cohesive and stylish look. This approach is particularly beneficial for smaller patios or for creating a versatile area that can adapt to various needs, whether it's a quiet retreat, a lively social hub, or a dining space. Furniture with built-in storage is a prime example of functionality meeting style. Benches or ottomans with hidden compartments can provide a place to store cushions, blankets, or outdoor essentials like grilling tools and gardening supplies. These pieces keep your patio clutter-free while ensuring that everything you need is easily accessible. Similarly, modular seating, such as sectionals that can be rearranged, offers flexibility for accommodating different group sizes or purposes. For instance, you can transform a cozy lounging setup into a more open layout for hosting gatherings. Multifunctional tables can also elevate the practicality of your patio. Consider coffee tables that double as fire pits or dining tables with adjustable heights. These hybrid designs allow you to switch seamlessly between relaxing with a cup of coffee, warming up by the fire, or enjoying a meal with friends and family. If space permits, a bar cart or console table with storage can add both convenience and a touch of elegance to your outdoor space. Lighting is another area where functionality can be layered with style. String lights, lanterns, or wall-mounted sconces not only illuminate the patio for evening use, but also contribute to its ambience. Solar-powered options are eco-friendly and reduce the need for wiring, making them easy to incorporate even in the most compact spaces. Dimmer switches or adjustable lights allow you to tailor the brightness to different moods, from lively parties to intimate evenings. Planters can also serve dual purposes in your design. Large, decorative planters can act as space dividers, subtly delineating areas for dining, lounging, or entertaining. They can also provide privacy when placed strategically along the edges of the patio or between seating zones. Elevated planters or vertical garden walls are excellent for saving space while introducing greenery, doubling as functional storage for herbs and vegetables. The concept of multifunctionality extends beyond individual elements to the overall layout of the patio. Zoning your outdoor living room into distinct but interconnected areas for lounging, dining, and entertaining ensures that every corner of the space is utilized effectively. Folding or stackable furniture can further enhance adaptability, allowing you to reconfigure the layout based on the occasion. By incorporating multifunctional elements, your patio becomes more than just a static outdoor area. It transforms into a dynamic and versatile living space. This thoughtful approach not only maximizes practicality, but also ensures that the design remains cohesive and stylish, creating an environment that effortlessly adapts to your lifestyle and enhances your outdoor experience.